Hey there, I'm really excited to share with you my text fragment linker. It's to help you take advantage of a really cool feature in Google Chrome or any Chromium-based browser, which includes Chrome, Google Chrome, as well as Internet Explorer and a bunch of other top popular browsers. But not all support it. Basically, it allows you to create a link not only to a page, but you can have it highlight specific text on that page and scroll to that page. So let's use Wikipedia's own page about Wikipedia just as an example. Let's say I want to highlight this particular, say, some text on the first page. Well, I'm going to take the URL and paste that into the text fragment linker, or TFL for short, and I'll go back and highlight some text I want to then highlight in the link, and paste it in here, and then I just simply click on Create Link. If I can copy this to the clipboard, or I can just click on the link, and it'll take me to the Wikipedia page and actually highlight that text that we specified once it's fully loaded. See, so here you can see it's highlighted. So you can now give somebody that link, and not only just take them to the page, but it highlights that text. Now, what do you do if you have a longer set of text? Well, we could highlight. The problem is it's passed as a parameter on the URL, which is limited. So instead, if I want to highlight this whole paragraph, I can just maybe also include the end portion. And now in the form, it has the beginning portion, and let's just add in the end text and recreate the URL. It modifies it. Let's click on that. And now when the page loads, it should highlight that entire paragraph because I specified the beginning text and the end text that I wanted to highlight. And there it is. So I hope that helps you take advantage. It's a really cool feature. It's a great way to point people to specific portions of a web page. You can either bookmark ghosh.com/blog TFL for text fragment linker, or also I provide link.ghosh.com/TFL. Enjoy.